Om Sri Guru Pyo Namaha. Starting with just a short little verse or just a few words to say thanks to my guru, my great teacher, which is actually my mother. My mother was my dance teacher. My name is Anjali Fluker. I am representing Hindu Temple Rhythms Orlando. We are a troupe of Bharatanatyam dancers, which is a South Indian classical dance style. And what our students have prepared for you today is a short song that is in praise of the goddess Lakshmi. The Hindu goddess Mahalakshmi is the goddess of prosperity. A lot of times you will see her seated in a lotus, and she's the one who is blessing and has gold coins pouring forth from her hands. But if we dig a little bit deeper, it's more than just material wealth. It's about wealth in all areas of life, whether that's health, whether that is relationship-wise, whether that's peace. In all these areas, we pray to Mata Lakshmi, as we call her, Mother Lakshmi, to give us her blessings in this way. This particular verse that we are sharing with you today, it is called the Ashtalakshmi Stotram. And this praises the 8 different forms of Mahalakshmi. From Adi Lakshmi, who is the main form that we always see, who's seated in a lotus, to Dhanya Lakshmi, the one who gives blessings of harvest and food. Dhairya Lakshmi, the one who shows great bravery in everything she does and hands that off to her devotees as well. Gaja Lakshmi, who is the goddess that we see seated in a lotus with the elephants surrounding her and praising her. Then we have Santana Lakshmi, who is the one who blesses those who are mothers and parents and those who have children. And then we have Vijay Lakshmi, who is the goddess who can be victorious over any kind of troubles. And then Vidya Lakshmi, who gives us the blessings of knowledge and wisdom without which we can't do anything. And finally, Dhana Lakshmi. Dhan can be mentioned as wealth, material wealth, but it is also our homes, our families, our knowledge of the world and how to live in the world and how to be good and how to do well, help others, help ourselves, help our families. So these are the prayers that we all have for Diwali and beyond. It's not just for Diwali. So I will bring our dancers out today. Each one of them is going to represent one devi. Girls, can you start coming out, please? Please come out. Come to your positions. We have Anushka as Dhana Lakshmi, Manya as Vidya Lakshmi, Sahasra as Vijaya Lakshmi, and Krisha is Santana Lakshmi. We have Agni and Megha as Gaja Lakshmi. We have Riya as Dhairya Lakshmi, and Serena as Dhanya Lakshmi, and Rhea as Adi Lakshmi. And in the beginning, as you can see, Mata Lakshmi is seated in a lotus with her many hands and the 2 elephants on the 2 sides. Once again, we are Hindu Temple Rhythms Orlando, and we are bringing before you this style of classical dance, Bharatanatyam, in which they will be telling stories with their hands and their expressions. So please welcome our lovely young dancers. Thank you.
Lakshmi